Clinical studies or trials, they lead to new discoveries. And joining us to discuss more about this is Dr. Poindexter with Community Health Network. Thanks so much for waking up with us.
Thank you, Maggie. Thank you for having me.
I always love seeing you, and I'm really excited to talk about this. I find them very interesting. Clinical studies or trials. So for those at home that aren't aware, what exactly are they?
Well, I'll tell you about clinical trials, or studies as we call them. Clinical trials are a way to find out about new innovations in treatment, medications, devices, or conditions.
And why should we participate in one?
I'll tell you why. It's really important. I serve as the Chief Medical Officer at Community Health Network. We provide different types of services, and one of the services that we want to have and tell you about are clinical trials, which is a part of whole person care. Now, that gives us an option to go into another way in medicine just to find out about new treatments.
I love this, and it, like you said, it has new discoveries in medicine, and you can help yourself but also help someone else in the process.
You surely can. So we can always do clinical trials, and you participate by being a volunteer or a healthy participant. But you must be eligible for a clinical trial.
Okay.
And there are different types of clinical trials available. We have a clinical trial site at 2 of our locations at Community Health Network. We decided to bring a part or an option of whole person care right to where the people are.
Oh, I love this. So let's say we want to participate. How do we go about doing so, and what about insurance? Does that get a little sticky?
You know what, Maggie? You don't need insurance. In fact, with a clinical trial, most of the time, we compensate you for your time and effort for the participation. Now, again, you must be eligible, but you can also go to our website or look at the QR scan on the screen and see about all the trials that we are offering. We have trials in women's health, we have trials in men's health, even general health.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I was telling you I had morning sickness. You're like, we have a trial for that.
We sure do. We're actually doing a clinical trial on nausea and vomiting in pregnancy during the early trimesters. And medications, you know, they're out there that have already been tested and used, and we use clinical trials to continue to make sure that they work.
I love this. And like I said, I love that you're doing something for yourself, but others as well. So Community Health Network, they're always here for us. Again, check out their website or just scan that QR code at the bottom of your screen and it will take you for more. Thank you, doctor, so much again for joining us.
Thank you, Maggie.